doing MBA is useless. This is said by Nikhil Kamath recently. So people who are doing MBA in 2025, it's useless thing they are doing. This is what Nikhil Kamath said. So my comments on this is, so whatever he said, it is correct. The people who are have some goal in their life and who have some plan or have some idea to do business or have something to start in their lives, if they want to do MBA, I will not suggest them to do MBA because you will waste your 2 years of time and you will learn nothing out of your MBA, 2 years MBA, and it will be you will be not in having productivity, consistency. You will lose your consistency and productivity, and that is what if you are having goal. So if you're not having goal, if you're not clear about what you want to study, and you don't have any clarity about your goal or you want to achieve in life, so still you are in a dilemma to what to do in life, then you have time to decide your a goal or what you want to become in your life. So then you can go for MBA. So you at least you will get 2 years more to decide, and to which that time is enough to not, I will not say enough, but you will get some time to decide your goal. What should I become and what I like. So which like what is my passion. So doing what I will feel more feel more happy, and doing things what makes me enjoy and happy. So you can find out by doing MBA, and you will get more network, and you will get more time to realize. So for people who don't have any goal in their life, they can do MBA and they can have time to think about themselves. So if you people who are having some goal, like after completing UG, if someone having goal to start a business, having some idea but lagging about execution, you directly go and work in some organization and get some experience. That will be more 100 times helpful than the MBA. So you in the MBA you learn nothing about practical business. Everything you learn about theoretical knowledge. So if you want to really start a business, if you have idea, you just having execution and managing skills, you're lacking about that. Go and work for 1-2 years in a company startup. If you want to do startup work in startup, it's more useful than working in an already well established company. So whatever you should get some work experience, then you can start rather doing MBA. So it is useless if you're having goal. And if you want to work related to any, if you want to become a content creator, if you are doing MBA, it's useless. You should either you can go and work any media company or any YouTuber. If you work, you will learn how to tackle camera and how to do video editing. You should at least have some skill to get into the job in specific any YouTuber. So if you know editing, you can join in that join with that YouTuber in his company. And if you're having thumbnail skills or graphic design skills, you can join, and then you can learn how to record a video, how to talk in front of video, how to tell story. So you can do all these things. Same comes with the business. If you want to start a business, so doing MBA is useless. I don't come for MBA. You directly go to any if you want to start a business in a gym, you go and join a gym and work in a gym, and you will get some experience. Example, the founder who started MyGate is an app which is gives entry to apartments. So every person details it will be entered, and it will be completely automation. To develop that video, he worked as a security guard, I think 2-3 months. Then he understood what is the problems and he started giving solutions. So that's the practical experience that we will get when we work. If you go and study in any YouTube, any MBA college, he will not get what is the problem is facing there, what is the reality problem, and what is our solution. Is it matching or not? You will not get with the MBA certificate or MBA study. You will get this with the practical work experience only. So there you will know what are the challenges that you are going to face when you start a business. How much it is hard when things not going in a way that you think. So what we should do and how to tackle back, how to get out of that situations, and everything you will learn. So I will suggest if people who having goal, some ideas to start a business, go and work somewhere and get experience and start. If people who don't have any clarity in their lives, what to do, what to become, then you can do MBA, because you will get more additional 2 years to decide your goal and what you want to become in the future. Thank you. If you like this video, do subscribe. Thank you. So adjust, I think the lighting is okay. If not, please adjust with the lighting. Thank you.